Hello everyone, this is Tuba Mirza and welcome to Recoding. All the code used inside this video are mentioned inside the description box. So if you like the work we are doing and if you're learning something from our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your group because your subscription will make this type of video happen in the future. So without any further ado, let's get started. Today we are going to learn about Navigation Stack. This is a package which helps user to give more control in the navigation view. This package brings back the classic push and pop views, which we use in UIKit to navigate the view from one view to another. This package is an alternative to SwiftUI Navigation View, implementing classic stack-based navigation, also giving some control on animations and programmatic navigation. We can use this package in a variety of ways, which we are going to discuss in the video. So we are hoping that you are also interested to know more about it. So let's get started. First, create an iOS app project. Click on the File option on the menu bar. Go to Swift Package and add the package dependency. Then add the repository URL inside the input. Then add the package to your project. Inside a content view file, first import Navigation Stack Module. Then inside body, we are going to create a navigation stack view. This navigation stack view acts as an entry point for our app and it will remember all the subsequent view we add over it. For pushing the view, we push view function which takes destination and label as input. Before it, we are going to create child view. Inside the body of child view, we add Z-stack and inside it add text. Then in our push view, we set our destination to child's view and add the label. Inside our child view, we add color as background and ignore all the edges. Similarly, inside the navigation stack view, we add stack and add background color, then add push view button inside it. And here we can see that our app is working fine. For the pop view, we just need to add pop view and label inside it. We can add transition effect inside a navigation stack view, so when we push views, we get this navigation. We can also create some custom navigation using easing property. This will create a spring type animation. And here we can see that our animation is working great. We can push view using the button action. To do so, create our button. Also, create a push view which takes is active as a parameter. Then create a state is active which takes false as an initial value. Then inside a button, we just toggle our state. Now wrap our button and push view inside a VStack. And here we can see that our button push view is also working fine. Now let's just take a look at double navigation view. This view is more common on large displays. First, create a SwiftUI file. Import navigation stack. Then create a navigation view from SwiftUI module and not the navigation stack. First, we create a list which takes navigation link. This will push our destination to the child's view. Add some modifier to the list as list style to sidebar list style. And add navigation title. Then create another view called as secondary view. Create a text placeholder and secondary view to the double navigation view as a second column. Then inside the navigation link, we add destination to secondary view. We can also add navigation view style inside the navigation view to double column stack view. If we don't add it, SwiftUI automatically detects the two column and perform action accordingly, but it is advisable to add this modifier. Inside the navigation stack view file, we are going to change the content view to a double navigation view. And here we can see that a double navigation is working. Now create another view called as secondary child view. Inside it, add a Z stack which takes up the into it. And add background color into it. Then we can create a pop view. This will pop the display to previous view according to navigation view stack. Then inside the secondary view, we create a navigation stack view. Then create state object which takes the navigation stack initializer. This will remember the views we add over another view so that when we add another view to navigation stack, it will know that. We pass a navigation stack state object inside the navigation stack view. Then inside it, create a Z stack. Add background color and create a push view. And here we can see that a double column navigation is working. Let's now see how the ID works inside the navigation stack. To do so, create a SwiftUI view. Import Navigation Stack Module. Inside the Navigation Stack view, add Push view. Then create a child first view. Inside it, add Z-stack, add background color, then in VStack, add the text and push view button. Similarly, create child second view. Inside it, create similar as first child view. Then create third child view. In first child view, we add destination to child 2 view. In second child view, we add destination to child 3 view. Inside specific ID view, we add destination to child view. Inside third child view, add a pop view which go to the root destination and add label inside it. Inside the other pop view, we only pop to previous as it knows the previous view because of the navigation stack view. Then inside the specific ID view, we create a const as child ID and add any custom string we want. Then pass this ID to a push view. Then inside a child third view, we pop to the destination which has the view ID as the ID that we have created inside the specific ID view. Change the specific ID view inside the NavigationStackView file. So here we can see that our view is working accordingly as first. We see parent view, this will push with an ID of first child view. Then we push second child and it will push to third child. Then we can pop our view accordingly. This situation can happen many times, especially in apps like shopping, payment and various other. We need to pop out view to home or any specific part from the third or fourth child's view. Let's now learn about the navigation injection view. By default, you can programmatically push and pop only. Inside the navigation stack view hierarchy, by accessing the Navigation Stack environment object. If you want to use the navigation stack outside the Navigation Stack view, you need to create your own navigation stack wherever you want and pass it as a parameter to the Navigation Stack view. This is useful when you want to decouple your routing logic from views. Create another SwiftUI file. Create a navigation stack view which shows a screen view. Then we create a screen 1 and screen 2. Then create a class of router. Which takes the navigation stack. Then inside it, create an initializer, then set class navigation stack to input navigation stack. Then create two functions, first function to screen 1. Inside it, we use our nav stack and push to screen 1. Similarly, we create screen 2 function and push to screen 2. Then inside our home screen, we require the router as the input. Inside the vStack, we create the button which takes the action to trigger the subsequent function inside the router class. Then we pass our router in the navigation injection view. Then in our first and second screen, we create a pop view. And here we can finally see that our app is working fine. So this is how the navigation stack package works inside the SwiftUI. And yes, let us know what you liked or disliked about this video in the comment section. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. And yes, do not forget to suggest some more topics. For now, I'll be signing off. We'll definitely see you all in the next video.